know, nothing gives me more pleasure than doing it myself. But it comes with its own risks. It comes with its own risks, especially when you're out of warranty.
Ah, I see where you're going. Right. Well, the manufacturers will want to mend them for you at a great expense, but there is another way. Here's Rory.
For most of us, the inside of a gadget like a smartphone is a high-tech mystery, something definitely not to be tampered with. But Khalid Malik is part of a growing band of tech heads who share their repair skills online.
Here goes the fastest iPhone 5 LCD replacement.
Khalid fixes phones at his shop in West London, and I'm joining him for the day.
Hi Rory, this is where the magic happens. Come on back.
All right. In the 20 years Khalid's been running his repair business, he's seen huge changes in the way mobile phones are made.
Manufacturers, in their pursuit to make phones slimmer, lighter, they are making them more complicated.
What do you do when a new phone comes out? How do you learn the new designs?
Trial and error, a couple of training courses, lots of instructional videos on YouTube.
Tech giants don't tend to release repair manuals, and they say unauthorized modifications may void your warranty. What's more, they could even be dangerous. So it's little wonder high street repair shops like Khalid's are so popular. This morning, he's tackling one of the most common repairs, a broken screen.
That is a tiny, tiny screwdriver and even tinier screws.
Now we should be able to lift the screen off.
It's a job that takes Khalid about 10 minutes.
Let's lift off.
For this phone, he charges 45 quid to replace the screen, which is cheaper than taking an out-of-warranty phone to the manufacturer.
All done.
Wow, it looks like new, doesn't it? It's even got the plastic film on it.
Yes, of course.
Lunchtime, and a customer brings in a top-end phone that she's tried to fix herself.
The volume down button seems to be broken on it.
We should have this turned around within 2 to 3 hours.
Can I just ask, why was it that you brought that phone here rather than taking it to the manufacturer?
I need my phone for work, so it's not really convenient for it to get sent off for a week.
Khalid's no slouch, but some of the latest handsets are glued, not screwed. So this job calls for something a bit special.
We need a hot air gun to soften up the glue holding the back without burning the insides. So there you go. This is the volume key pressure plates.
This is high-tech stuff, but it takes a brush, a puff, a screw, and a dab for Khalid to get the phone working again.
Perfect.
Back at the shop, and Khalid has just finished off his 8th phone of the day.
So you're doing it, but how easy is it for the man in the street to repair their own phone?
There are simple steps, but it takes a lot of practice and experience.
Should I give it a go myself?
If you've got the patience, of course.
So, Ed, remember that phone that we asked you to give us just before the show so it wouldn't interfere with the microphones in the studio?
Oh,
well,
no.
This is what it actually looks like whenever it's taken apart. So, so Khalid, talk me through how many parts in Ed's phone?
Well, this particular phone has about 20 different parts.
Yes.
And we've got about just over 40 screws.
And how long do you think it will take to put this phone back together? For Ed.
For Ed, of course. An all singing, dancing phone in about 20 minutes, hopefully.
That's very good news, Ed, because we're off air in about 19. so what we're going to do, we're going to try to put this phone back together, and then you're going to ring me, Khalid, is that right?
Yes, of course.
And then we give the phone back to you.
But no send to all text messages, please. I've had one of those, and that was quite enough.
OK, that's quite enough. Well, look, Khaled's dressed as a doctor. I'm dressed as a raver from Glastonbury, so, I mean, it's all going to go fine. Don't worry about that. You've been to his shop, haven't you, Alex? You've been...
Do you know what? Is it pure coincidence, but I have been to your shop twice. My screen, I keep dropping my phone, Ed, and to be honest, there's a volume problem now, so I could do with him having a little look before the end of the show, if you've got time. Sort out Ed's phone first, obviously.
Yeah, that would be good.
Don't worry, Ed, it's in expert hands.
But not in your hands.
Not my hands.
Well, that's OK then.
No, not
This
at
seemed
all.
like a very good idea at the time. I'm actually thinking this could go very badly wrong.
Yeah. It'll be fine, it'll be fine.
It'll all be fine.
He's an
It's all under
expert.
control.
OK.
Khalid, Ed is a little bit worried. How long do you think this is going to take?
I'd say another 10 minutes, hopefully.
Do you need any help?
Always.
Always?
Yes.
OK, well, look, hopefully you're going to have this done for later on because Elbow are going to be playing out at the end of the show. And
OK.
Alex is with them right now. Fingers crossed.
I am indeed.
Very, very relieved to know that Khalid has actually fixed the phone and that is your phone back. It was never your phone.
Are you sure that's my...
Fingers crossed.
Right.